design enthusiast. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your premier destination for all things home decor and design. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're stepping into a world where boundaries blur and nature becomes an integral part of your living space. We're talking about the breathtaking beauty and innovative design of minimalist glass houses. If you've ever dreamt of living immersed in your surroundings, this is the video for you. So, what exactly defines minimalist glass house design? At its core, it's an architectural style characterized by a profound emphasis on simplicity, clean lines, open spaces, and of course, extensive use of glass. The goal is to create a seamless connection between the interior and the surrounding environment, maximizing natural light and offering expansive views. Minimalist glass houses often feature open-plan layouts, a limited material palette, think concrete, steel, wood, and glass, and a focus on function over excessive ornamentation. It's about stripping away the unnecessary to highlight the purity of form and the beauty of the landscape. Why would someone choose a minimalist glass house design? The benefits are truly compelling. Firstly, the abundance of natural light is unparalleled. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls flood interiors with sunlight, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day and creating a bright, uplifting atmosphere. Secondly, there's an incredible seamless indoor-outdoor connection. Living spaces extend visually into gardens, patios, or natural landscapes, making the home feel much larger and more integrated with its surroundings. This also fosters a stronger connection to nature, promoting well-being. Thirdly, glass houses offer unobstructed panoramic views, turning every window into a living piece of art. Imagine watching the sunrise or a storm roll in from the comfort of your living room. Lastly, despite their appearance, modern glass houses are designed with advanced glazing technology for energy efficiency, providing insulation and UV protection while maintaining that desirable transparency. Decorating a minimalist glass house requires a thoughtful approach to complement, rather than compete with, the architecture and views. Embrace a less is more philosophy. Opt for uncluttered spaces with essential, high-quality pieces. Choose a neutral and serene color palette for walls, large furniture, and textiles, think whites, grays, muted earth tones, to allow the natural light and outdoor colors to be the stars. Select furniture with clean lines and simple forms and materials like wood, metal, and natural fabrics that harmonize with the modern aesthetic. Integrate subtle textures through rugs, throws, and decorative objects to add warmth without visual clutter. Strategic lighting is crucial. Use recessed lights, minimalist pendants, and floor lamps to create ambient glow without distracting from the views at night. Finally, bring the outside in with carefully chosen indoor plants that complement the natural surroundings, enhancing the seamless transition. Now, let's turn our attention to some real-world architectural marvels. Here are our top 10 best minimalist glass house design ideas to ignite your imagination. 1. Modern black framed glass house with pool deck. Kicking off our list at number 1, we have this stunning contemporary glass house, a true embodiment of indoor-outdoor living. The structure features sleek black window frames enclosing vast expanses of glass, allowing light to flood the interiors and offering panoramic views of the surrounding lush trees and a sparkling swimming pool. A light-colored wooden deck extends from the house, providing a spacious area for multiple outdoor lounge settings, including sun loungers by the pool and a comfortable L-shaped sofa with a coffee table under an open sky. The well-manicured lawn and mature trees frame the property, creating a secluded and luxurious retreat that feels entirely connected to nature. The warm interior lighting seen through the glass adds an inviting glow, especially as dusk settles. 2. Single-story glass pavilion house on a concrete plinth. Coming in at number 2, this design showcases a minimalist glass pavilion, characterized by its incredibly clean lines and seamless integration with the landscape. The entire living space is encased in floor-to-ceiling glass, supported by slender dark columns, creating a transparent box that allows unobstructed views of the mature trees and natural surroundings. The house sits elegantly on a raised, light-colored concrete plinth, which extends outwards to form a broad, multi-tiered staircase leading down to a pebble gravel ground cover. The flat, expansive roof with a subtle overhang provides shade, while the brightly lit interior reveals open spaces and modern, minimalist furniture, emphasizing the clarity and simplicity of the design. 3. Modern glass house with outdoor patio and fire pit. At number 3, we see a sophisticated minimalist glass house that beautifully merges modern architecture with comfortable outdoor living. The structure features large glass sliding doors that open directly onto an expansive light-colored patio. The patio incorporates varied hardscaping, including square pavers interspersed with dark river stones around a circular concrete fire pit, and areas of artificial turf for a touch of green. Comfortable outdoor furniture, including a long wooden bench with red and white patterned pillows, and dark modern chairs with bright blue cushions, invites relaxation around the fire pit. Beyond the patio, a horizontal wooden fence provides privacy, complemented by lush green trees and uplighting that creates a warm, inviting ambience as the sky transitions to dusk. 4. Sleek white raised planters with ornamental grasses. For number 4, while not a full glass house, this image exemplifies the minimalist aesthetic and the harmony of elements often found in such designs. Here, we see two long, rectangular, elevated white planters with black base supports, resting on a light-colored wooden deck. These planters are filled with a mix of tall, slender ornamental grasses and shades of green and deep purple, along with delicate yellow and red flowering plants. The horizontal wooden slat wall in the background reinforces the clean, modern lines. To the left, a glimpse of dark outdoor furniture and a small wooden side table with a wine bottle suggests a contemporary outdoor living space where the carefully chosen planters act as natural dividers and aesthetic enhancements, bringing controlled bursts of nature into a structured environment. 5. Large contemporary home with minimalist landscaping. Our fifth spot presents a grand contemporary home that incorporates extensive glazing to achieve a minimalist aesthetic. The house itself is a two-story structure with a predominantly white facade, accented by black window frames and roof elements, creating a strong visual contrast. While not entirely glass, large floor-to-ceiling windows and glass doors are strategically placed across the front, inviting natural light and views into the interior. The minimalist landscaping includes a vast green lawn, a simple concrete driveway, and neatly arranged low-maintenance shrubs and tall, slender trees along the front, enhancing the clean and uncluttered feel. The overall design emphasizes simplicity, scale, and a connection between the interior living spaces and the surrounding manicured environment. Six. Modern house with green roof and minimalist facade. Coming in at number 6, this architectural masterpiece showcases a minimalist glass house design with an innovative green roof, blending seamlessly into the natural environment. The structure features vast expanses of dark-framed glass, offering transparency into elegantly lit interiors. The contrast between the stark white upper volume, which incorporates a deep overhang and large windows, and the darker, more recessed lower volume with vertical slat details, creates visual depth. A central reflecting pool or shallow water feature with a small, sculptural tree acts as a serene focal point in the front yard. The surrounding landscape is clean and minimal, with a manicured lawn and sparse trees, allowing the modern lines of the house and its living roof to take center stage. 7. Luxurious glass-walled mansion with illuminated interiors. At number 7, we're treated to a spectacular view of a luxurious glass-walled mansion at dusk, where the interior lighting transforms it into a glowing lantern. The house boasts immense floor-to-ceiling glass walls on multiple levels, offering completely transparent living spaces that are visible from the exterior. Sleek, dark frames define the large glass panels, and a minimalist design aesthetic is evident in the clean lines of the flat roof and the cantilevered sections. Inside, various modern furniture arrangements, dining areas, and even an internal courtyard with lush greenery are subtly illuminated, highlighting the open-plan layout. The outdoor area features clean lines, understated landscaping, and a glass-railed balcony, emphasizing the seamless flow and expansive views inherent in glass house architecture. 8. Expansive modern pavilion home with glass walls. For number 8, we have an impressive modern pavilion-style home, embodying minimalist glass house principles on a grand scale. This single-story structure is almost entirely encased in glass, creating a strong visual connection to the sprawling green lawn and mature trees that define the landscape. A wide, light-colored concrete patio extends from the house, providing a large outdoor living and dining area with modern furniture, perfectly blurring the lines between inside and out. The flat, broad roof creates a significant overhang, offering natural shade. The design emphasizes horizontal lines and open spaces, with subtle exterior lighting illuminating the patio and highlighting the textured stone wall on one end, all contributing to an elegant and serene architectural statement. Nine. Modern metal gate with perforated pattern. Taking the 9th spot, this image focuses on a striking architectural detail often found in minimalist designs, a contemporary metal gate and fence section. While not a full glass house, this piece demonstrates the clean lines and artistic elements that complement such homes. The dark gray metal panels feature an abstract, perforated pattern of various sized circles, allowing glimpses of the landscape beyond while providing privacy and a decorative touch. The gate is hinged to a thick, light-colored concrete pillar, which matches the low wall supporting the fence panels. A few spiky green plants emerge from the foreground, adding a touch of natural softness against the hardscaping. This detail showcases how even functional elements can be elevated to art in minimalist architectural contexts. 10. Elegant modern minimalist home with pitched roof. And finally, at number 10, we feature an elegant modern home that blends traditional pitched roof lines with extensive minimalist glass elements. The house is characterized by a mix of clean white stucco and dark stone cladding, complemented by striking black window frames that define large expanses of glass. Large windows and glass doors on the ground floor create a strong connection to the surrounding manicured lawn and simple concrete driveway. The entryway features a dark arched door, flanked by outdoor lanterns and minimalist planters with lavender-colored flowers. Tall, slender evergreen trees and low-maintenance shrubs complete the refined landscaping, showcasing a sophisticated balance between classic form and modern, light-filled living. And there you have it, 10 incredible minimalist glass house designs that redefine the concept of home. These architectural masterpieces truly celebrate light, space, and a profound connection to the natural world. They prove that simplicity can indeed lead to the most breathtaking and luxurious living experiences. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern glass house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.